Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new PR unboxing from the lovely people at BeeBeeCraft.com. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to do a cooperation with them, and they were going to send me some stuff, and I said yes, that would be great. And so the bag arrived and it's pretty well packed. There's a lot of stuff in here. So what I'll be doing is I will be opening these things one at a time and we'll go through them. And then later on we'll have some whipping chats and completions and it'll be fun. So I don't want to destroy the bag or the contents of the bag, I should say. So let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Okay, I think right here I can get my scissors in without breaking something. Yeah. And lots of tape, which is good because we've been having really lousy weather in my area. I'm in Northern Ontario, Canada, and we had a thaw where it was really warm yesterday. It was like up to 10 degrees Celsius, and then it dropped down in the night. We had freezing rain and snow and gale force winds. So it's a good thing that this is taped up and nothing got all wet or yucky, because that would have been terrible. So I think now that I found the opening, I can use my scissors to cut them. Maybe not. Oh, okay, there. Wow, okay, bubble wrap. There is a bubble wrap in here. So wow, this is really packed nicely. And I do appreciate some good bubble wrap. I've been getting really lucky with bubble wrap lately. So how am I going to do this? It's just a matter of finding the tape. Oh, look at my nails are all stuck. All right. So, look at all the stuff in here. I'm so excited. All right. I know what I want to open first. Well, I don't know what this is, but we're going to open this first. We are going to open this first because it's in a box. I have no idea what this is. It just says made in China. It's a little box. So it could be one of any, like there's so many things I ordered, you guys. I'm very excited about this. Yes, this is what I was hoping it was. I'm so excited to show you this. Hang on one second. I just want to grab my light pad and just turn it around so that we have a surface to show you stuff on. Just to put stuff down on. Alrighty. You guys, this is a set of Easter diamond painting key rings. And I am super, super excited about this. So this is from, like I said, this is from the kind people at BeeBeeCraft.com. And let's open it up and see what we're going to get. Let me just zoom in a little bit. All right. So I'm going to take the first thing out, and we have a cute little double-sided bunny. So how adorable is that? Isn't that cute? And he's holding an egg. He's got a little tiny nose. And the mouth, look, I really like that you don't have to diamond paint the nose and mouth. That really makes a difference. I don't even mind when you don't have to diamond paint the eyes because it makes them look really nice. So we'll put that down. And then we have this egg. And these are all double-sided. And what I'm noticing just right away is these are going to be multiple size drills, which I absolutely love. Super excited to do this. And another bunny with another egg, a little pink egg this time. And, oh, this bunny has 2 eggs. This bunny has a purple egg and a green and pink egg with some yellow stripes. Isn't that pretty? And like I said, these are all double-sided. And I gotta love these bunnies and eggs. And then we have another egg, and it says something on it. I think it says Easter Day. These are really sticky. So, oh, it almost matches my thumbnails. Oh, I should have Easter nails. Well, I don't have Easter nails yet. I ordered some, but they're not in. It's not anywhere close to Easter as I'm opening these. And go cute. Another bunny. I really like this green bunny with the green ears. Okay, this is my favorite bunny so far. Because, look at, I don't know if you can see, but he's got little teeth and a little tongue. He is adorable. Or she. And, oh, wait till you see this one, you guys. It's a little chicken and egg. I love this one. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, that's cute. That is so cute. And last but not least, we have a happy bunny with the teeth again and a broken egg. That's adorable. That is adorable. I want to say they're all cute, but right now I'm going to say these 3 are my favorite. These are so cute. I love these so much. Look how cute they are. All right, so this kit comes with everything you need. We have the little keychain pieces that come in this little baggie. And you would just take one of these and then I'd attach to one of these and attach it to there. So you would just slip this through here. Oh, it's really hard to do on camera with just one hand, but you know what I mean. And then slip it through the hole on one of those key rings and attach it. And then this piece here opens and closes. So you could attach it to your car key ring or your purse or whatever. So there's a nice little, and these are really pretty. Hang on. These are really, it's a nice color. I do like that color. I think that's really nice. I do enjoy the key rings, and they make nice gifts as well. So I've done lots of Christmas keychains, but I haven't done any Easter keychains yet. So that is a nice little package of keyring notions. And it comes with your typical kit with a green bow, red wax, pink pen. And you guys, let's take a look at the drills. I'm excited to look at the drills. So let's see. So I'm just going to turn them backwards so we don't see the numbers and we can get a better idea of what they look like. I've never had drills like this. Those are really pretty. They're little flowers. And the little white pearls, well, they're bigger, the bigger white pearls. Isn't that nice? I really, I like the pearly ones. Oh, those are beautiful. Let me move them up so you can see the color better. That's a really pretty blue. So there's teardrop shape. And the purple. And these are very similar to my fingernails, right? This looks like an AB pinky purple. Look how much they match my nails. And yellow. And these are all nice size. These are all the bigger special drills. Some pretty gold stars. Now, I am old enough that when I was in kindergarten, we all wanted the gold stars. The red star, the green star, we didn't want those. The yellow star, the blue star, no. The silver star, maybe. But it was the gold star that we all wanted on our papers. Oh, and more gold stars. Just a little bit smaller than these ones. Nice. And now we have the rhinestone drills in orange. Beautiful ruby red. A really pretty aqua greeny blue. Is that like a teal? I don't know. It's so pretty. It reminds me of the water. Like, not the water where I live, but like an ocean, like in the Caribbean. And a purple or a violet. Beautiful. And a pinky kind of violet color too, like lilac. This reminds me of our lilac trees. And gold. And black. And green. They're so glittery. And more green. There are so many drills, you guys. And there's that teal again now. Are they the same? Does that look like the same color to you? And yellow. Oh, ooh, pretty, pretty. Like a bright pink. Like a hot pink. That is gorgeous. I love that color. Red. A lighter pink. Kind of like a salmon color. Beautiful. And lots of white. And I don't know what color this is. I guess it's a brown. It reminds me of Coca-Cola. I love it. It's like a golden brown. Beautiful. So these drills are amazing. And you get lots of rhinestones and lots of special drills. And I have never seen these ones before. So I'm really excited about this. This is a nice set. And how nice that it came in a box. You could actually gift this to someone. Someone who likes arts and crafts. You could just wrap that box. That'd be nice. Okay, guys. So that is it for the set. So now let's go over to the computer. And I will tell you what this would cost if you were interested in buying it. Okay, guys, so here we are at the BeeBeeCraft.com website. You can see they're having a big mega sale up to 50% off. There's all kinds of things on the site. The sale right now is going for another 3 days. You can change your money and your city up in the upper right corner. And it's just a nice little website. So I just want to show you a few things. It's mostly jewelry making, but there's also a lot of arts and crafts and fabric and things like that. Okay, so now we are going to jump to the page where we're looking at all of the beautiful Easter keychains that I just got. You can see the title over here. You can see the price in Canadian money. And this is what they'll look like when they're done. They're really beautiful. I think it's $11.25 Canadian. You can go up in the upper right hand corner and you can change it to see how much it would cost in American if you want. Maybe we should do that. Hang on, let's see. So there you can see the price in American. My eyesight's not great right now. I think that says $8.09. But yeah, so that's what the website looks like for this particular item. We'll take a look at the whole website at the end. But yeah, look how cute these are going to look when they're done. I'm really looking forward to doing these. Aren't they cute? Super cute. I love that pink one. All right, so we're going to just jump back to the regular video now. See you in a bit. And another thing, you guys, if you are interested in ordering from BeeBeeCraft, and the link will be below, you can use the coupon CAT10. So KAT10 to save 10% on your whole order, and that is valid until February 7, 2026. So that's 2 years. That's really a good coupon. And also, they have asked me to reach out to you guys to see if you would also be interested in doing a promotion, like a PR package with them, if you have your own YouTube channel. And I will put that information below as well. If you have more than 100 subscribers and you're interested, you can click the link below and contact them, and they would like to see pictures of your crafts or a link to your channel. And they might contact you, and you can do a PR unboxing as well if you're interested. So I will, again, have that information below. And yeah, so this is really cool. So I hope you like this. I'm really thrilled with this. I think that's a great price. I will, after I do all my unboxings, we'll do a video where we check out the website together. But I've got a lot of unboxings to get through. And I thought this would be the first one because I was really excited about this one. All right, guys, I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching my videos. I hope you're enjoying them. And BeeBeeCraft, thank you so much for considering me for this PR promotion. I can never remember the word. What is the word I'm looking for? Cooperation. So I really appreciate that as well. All right, guys, so we will definitely be working on these together. I'm looking forward to doing that. But first, we have a lot more stuff to unbox. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you have a really great day, and whatever you're doing, I hope you are having a good time doing it. All right, guys, take care and stay safe. Bye for now, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.